That's what we're making.
What are you making, Kellen?
Cheese.
Cheese? Stir fry? Kellen is cooking with...
Yeah.
Hey, Kellen.
The picture.
Who are you cooking with? But who's helping you?
See that? And we
Kellen's cooking with Grandma Paula.
That, and we added, tell your mom, shrimp. We made that, and we added shrimp. That's good, huh? Added shrimp. Oh yeah, we got apples going. We better keep an
And
eye
they're
on
making
them, too.
applesauce and stir fry.
Keep an eye on
Shrimp
the
stir
apples
fry.
to see what they're doing. Okay, I'm gonna take one out. Make it go smush. So you got, there's a cranberry that needs to be smushed right there. Smush it. There you got it.
Kellen is smushing the apples for applesauce. Making applesauce.
It's like I've turned into Grandma Margaret. Oh, you made the applesauce. It's delicious. It's red. Does it look like this? Where's that picture? Right here. Look at that. Did you make that?
How does it taste, Kellen?
Not more.
You want more?
Want more?
Should we get some in a bowl for you? Kellen likes the applesauce he cooked.
Is it good? I'm going to eat some now. That's good. And it's red. I like it
I
red.
want more, he keeps saying.
What made it red? The cranberries? Cranberries made it red. Oh, here's the picture. That's right. We have to turn it over. Okay. Okay, the guy you found is over here on this side. See that? So we'll put him over here. So let's see. We gotta find a red shirt. This is hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You put
Yeah, that's Humpty Dumpty, isn't it?